Before activating your F-150 fog lights, you must first turn on your headlights or parking lights. This is a safety requirement built into the system. The fog light control is integrated into the headlight control knob located on the left side of your steering wheel. This knob controls both your headlights and fog lights. To activate the front fog lights, pull the headlight control knob outward one click. You'll feel a distinct click when the fog lights engage. When the fog lights are successfully activated, a green fog light symbol will appear on your instrument cluster. This confirms that your fog lights are now operating. Some F-150 models are equipped with rear fog lights. If your vehicle has this feature, pull the headlight control knob outward twice to activate both front and rear fog lights. Fog lights are specifically designed for limited visibility conditions. They should be used when visibility drops below 500 feet due to fog, heavy rain, or snow. Fog lights produce a wide, low beam pattern that illuminates the road surface directly in front of your vehicle. This design prevents light from reflecting off fog or precipitation back into your eyes. It's crucial to turn off your fog lights when visibility improves or when following other vehicles. Leaving them on unnecessarily can blind other drivers and may violate traffic laws. Regular maintenance helps ensure your fog lights work when needed. Check the fuse in your engine compartment fuse box, typically a 15 to 20 amp fuse, and inspect fog light seals for moisture intrusion. Consider upgrading to LED fog lights for significantly improved performance. LED bulbs offer 10 to 15 times longer lifespan than halogen bulbs, increased efficiency, and better visibility in adverse conditions.